Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So the Mi Pad 5 is again in spotlight with new certifications and leaks coming from various sources. What's new is that we now have a suspected prototype drawing of the upcoming Mi Pad 5. With that being said, let's get to our intro. Contrary to image found on Weibo which showed near bezel-less design, the actual tablet seems to have thin bezels, and this looks like a correct depiction of the upcoming Mi Pad 5 tablet. Taking a look at the rest of the design, on top there are two holes. One of them would be used for placing the front camera while the second one might be a brightness sensor. On the right side, we got a wireless charging port for stylus. In addition to that, both volume buttons and the power button are also placed on the right side. On the left side, we have a pogo pin connector that might connect a physical keyboard or a protective cover. Apple has been using the same technology for a long time for connecting an external keyboard to its iPad. The tablet has 4 speakers in total, 2 of them are placed at the top while the other 2 are placed at the bottom. Moreover, a USB Type-C port for charging is also located at the bottom. The tablet is equipped with a camera module which looks almost similar to Mi 11 flagship, but we don't know the exact camera specs. As for other specifications, recently Gizbot spotted a leak on Weibo which tells us about one of the 3 models. The leak reveals that the device could come with a 2K display that refreshes at 120Hz. And as per other news, it will be an IPS panel with 240Hz touch sampling rate and 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It comes with Snapdragon 870 chip that offers 5G connectivity and an 8 plus 64 GB of RAM and storage variant. From what we heard, there's gonna be only one tablet model offering 5G connectivity, and if that's true, then the rest of the 2 models might be using 4G Snapdragon chipset. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense since there are many chipsets available which offer 5G at different price range. In any case, we have to wait some more for concrete evidence. The tablet is expected to be powered by an 8720 mAh battery and could also allow for fast charging at 67 watt. About the launch, it's speculated to launch in the month of August alongside some other Xiaomi devices. So that's it for this video. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.